Tathagat Varma, called as TV, right? He's normally called as TV in the fraternity, the Agile fraternity. And Tathagat has come as a keynote for the Agile Noida conference. Welcome to the Agile Noida conference, Tathagat.
Thanks, Sarab.
So, I mean, what is your topic all about, and how do you want to take this ahead?
Sure, thanks. First of all, thanks for inviting me over. It's a great opportunity to come here and interact with the practitioner community here. The theme of the Agile conference is plug and play Agile.
Yeah.
So I'm talking on what do I understand from plug and play, because in my mind plug and play can be a very simple, very good thing to do, which makes it easier for people to implement Agile. But on the other hand, for a serious practitioner, it could also be an impediment.
Correct.
Because agility is not just about having a straitjacket approach, but it's really a thinking process. How do we adapt to the problems and how do we solve them?
Okay.
So I'm going to talk on some of these things, how we can, what is plug and play Agile, and how we can truly achieve that without really getting caught into the mechanics of the process.
Okay. And we also came to know you just have opened a new organization and a founder of Thought Leadership, basically.
That's right.
So where did this come from? And
so it was a long dream, actually. I've been thinking and working on that for the last 7 years.
Okay.
I always knew I want to do something, and I've been working a lot in the Agile community and project management community.
Okay.
And it was only the right opportunity where I got, where I said, okay, let me now turn that and see if I can dog food my own ideas.
Okay.
And turn that into a business model.
So what this is all about? What this organization is?
So
all
Thought
about?
Leadership is born with the idea that the knowledge should be free. It's available to everybody. Internet, books, so much of Gyan is available. But the wisdom should be acquired and continuously worked upon.
Okay.
And that's where we make the difference. So the difference we try to make is in areas of design thinking, lean startup, agile, innovation, some of these areas, is by constantly upgrading ourselves and not just going with a fixed approach that, hey, this is the only way or this is the best way of solving the problem, but keep assimilating ideas from nature, from other, from pharmaceutical, from a lot of other branches, and see what are the better ways to solve the problem. Put it back to the practitioners, learn from them. So it's a constant dialogue that's going on, as opposed to one fixed way of doing things.
Okay. So what feedback would you want to give to Agile Noida?
I think it's a great, you and Neeraj have done a great job. This is really nice. I know I missed the first time. I'm very happy to be here. I hope more and more companies get involved in the process, and we build a great, vibrant community of Agile practitioners in Agile Noida. I definitely look forward to being here next time as well.
Thank you.
So I'm looking for a lot of even bigger event here in the capital.
And where do you see Agile going in the next couple of years? What do you see where it is heading?
I think Agile is coming to a tipping point now. Even in India now, I'm seeing more and more organizations are looking at that at a large scale. They are not just looking at it in the teams alone. So on one hand, we see the whole scaling up of Agile coming up in a big way. On the other hand, we also see that people are looking at the entire organization and not just looking at it from a pockets where people can just implement some Agile practices. I personally believe that one of the key things that we have to do, I think, is also understand and communicate to our leaders and other departments, because Agile in itself in isolation is probably very difficult to survive in a large organization. I think the best benefits can be there if everybody is on the same page. So I would say, for example, as volunteers in our conferences, over a period of time, we should actually start getting more and more of leaders and more of even HR people. I would love to get more of HR folks to understand what is the meaning of self-organizing team, because some of our processes are built around the conventional management models. I think it's time for us to review them.
So we have a session TV on Nidhi Arora. She's from HR. On
how good. So I look forward to that.
Yeah.
Yes.
So thanks Tathagat.
Thanks
for
a
your
lot.
time. A small memento from our side.
Sure. Thank you, Sarabji. Thank you.